I'm going to show you guys the guest room that is on the 29th floor of Ritz Carlton, okay? So this is the guest room, and you can see like this huge bed over here. It's super tall, it's like until my hip. Yeah, and they have a lot of mirrors, so it looks huge. And they have this like super pretty sofa that you can chill at. And let's see the view. Super pretty, you can see everything. Come closer, come. So you can see there is this Marina base sands. You can see the Art Science Museum. You can even see Gardens by the Bay. Look, Gardens by the Bay. And you can see almost the whole Marina Bay area. The office, Raffles Place, Tanjong Pagar area. The Esplanade. And the floating platform. It's so pretty. And there is even a study desk over here equipped with stationery that you can use. Yeah, and they even have, I don't know whose ugly mask is this. And they even have all this like extra masks, hand sanitizers, alcohol wipes for you. Because it's, you know, the COVID situation and it's still ongoing, right? And you know, they have two phones, which I really like it. I think it's a very soft touch where you have two, right? One beside the bed, so it's easy for you to access, and the other one over here when you are working, you don't have to walk all the way there to call. And they have this fully equipped, you know, bar, right? Where you can have, you know, there's wine opener, there is the the coffee where you can use this Nespresso machine, right? And they have this ice bucket. Then they have the fridge over here where you can put your stuff that you want to put. You have you know, the hot water machine that I don't dare to use. Yeah, and I think that's a lot of it. Okay, the next best thing in this room is actually the walk-in wardrobe. I feel like I am a property agent trying to show the house to you guys, but look at the walk-in wardrobe. Oh shoot, it's stuck because the tripod is there. Sorry, my tripod dropped. Okay, so this is the walk-in wardrobe. Sorry that it was stuck just now. Let me remove the tripod over here. Hey, come, let me show you. So they are very well equipped. You can see I'm wearing the bathroom slippers already, the bedroom slippers, and there are also like other amenities over here. I mean like free stuff. And I'm not going to open this. I think it's all our unsightly clothes that you can stuff it in. Then you can see over here where we hang our clothes. You can see it is literally a walk-in concept where you can just walk in and choose the clothes that you want to wear. You can see a Louis Vuitton here, you see an Off-White here, Louis Vuitton again, Louis Vuitton. We are fans of Louis Vuitton. And then we have the dresses. This one, yeah, sorry, it dropped. Okay, let me, I'm too rough. Let me put it back. Yeah, and they have one bathrobe over here, and we can also have space for you to put your shoes. I think the best thing is they have a shoe horn. I was just telling my husband that, you know, I don't like it when hotels don't have shoe horn, because if you don't have a shoe horn, you can't wear your shoes without damaging them. Personally at home, I definitely have to use a shoe horn, and this is something that is very, very useful to me. They even have some, you know, actually iron inside, but I don't think we will use them. Right. Okay, and then the most iconic thing about Ritz Carlton is the pentagon, or is it octagon? It's the octagon mirror, not mirror, octagon windows. Okay, let's go. Let me show you the bathroom. So here is the bathroom. I know you can't see it yet, but let's open it. What? exudes elegance. Because yeah, it smells good, it's really clean, right? And you can see the octagon window where you can literally see Marina Bay Sands over there. You can see the Art Science Museum, and it is so pretty. There is a mirror over here when you need to be slightly narcissistic when you are taking a bath. You can see yourself, or maybe it can act as a, you know, I don't know, like your sexy time kind of stuff, that you can see yourself, your partner, whatever, I don't know. Then over here you have very nice orchid. Is this orchid? Oh my god.
Yeah.
It is? Okay, yeah. And it is really nicely planted here. I love fresh flowers. This is so pretty. And they have a shower also. So I like that the shower is separated from the bath. I hate it when the shower and the bath is in the same area, because you tend to, you know, sleep and things like that, and I just don't like it, and it's messy also. Okay, and you have the toilet over here, which is quite small, I would say. I'm not a fan of small toilets, but because I'm a bit, I don't know, what do you call it? I'm a bit scared of small spaces, claustrophobic, yeah. Because, yeah, that is really quite small, but I think that's fine. I'll just go to the toilet without closing the door. Anyway, TMI, TMI. So that is all for today, and to show you guys like how this room is like, and it's definitely worth it to spend some money on this room, because if you don't take the option with the club lounge, it's actually pretty low priced. It's not very expensive. I think you can just get this room at maybe $600 Singapore dollars. Yeah. So that is all for my video today. I mean, that's all for the walkthrough today. Thank you, Boo Boo, for filming this video for me, and it is your birthday. I love you so much.
If you like this video, do like and subscribe. Thank you.